goddess, I am back with another recording serving you DIY Yoni STEAM realness today.
Surprise, motherfucker.
So pause this video,
Bitch, let me spill the tea.
grab your notes and your snacks, sit back, relax, and welcome to my world. So sis, guess what? All the studying and research, I found 5 basic ingredients that you can use, yes you can use for your Yoni STEAM. I got you covered. I got you, sis. I got you. Don't even worry. So I feel like I have to say this in any video. We're doing the whole herbal remedy kind of videos. I feel like I have to say this. Although I work in the medical field, I am not a doctor. I'm just sharing with you my findings through research and personal experience. I urge you to do your own research before trying anything. That includes asking your doctor if this is suitable for you and your body. Please understand, these videos are to help you through that journey. So once again, try at your own risk. Now that all that is out the way, let's get into the shit. Okay, the first herb I'm going in with is Motherwort. This herb relaxes the womb and is great for cramps and labor. Then my favorite herb in this world, and it's called neem. The neem plant is what I like to call nature's neosporin. It can heal and help regenerate skin cells. The next herb I'm going in with is Calendula. People may know this as a beautiful flower, but it actually has many uses. It can help heal anal tears. It also helps heal yeast infections and thinning of the vaginal walls. So it's a really good herb for women. Next up is Yarrow, which is used for stimulating the uterus and eliminating pelvic congestion. Peony Root, which is also good for cracks around the anus that occurs from anal sex or hemorrhoids. 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, which not only makes this concoction smell divine, it is an anti-yeast agent and antifungal. This next herb is completely optional. It's for aesthetic reasons. It is the cornflower, although it helps ease inflammation. Apple cider vinegar is also optional. It helps draw out toxins and ease itching from razor burns. This ingredient would go in very last. You would not put this in boiling water. This would actually go in right before you sit on the Yoni STEAM. After bringing 8 cups of water to a boil, pour the herbs in, let it sit for 10 minutes, occasionally stirring, and then you're going to pour the herb mixture in whatever bowl you have prepared for your Yoni STEAM. This is when you will add the apple cider vinegar in. Let the mixture cool for roughly 5 minutes or more before you sit on the steam. You really thought I wasn't going to pull through. You thought I wasn't going to pull through with the ingredients.
Oh my god.
1 eternity later.
I get a little carried away a little bit.
Garbage.
All the ingredients I talked about in this video, if you cannot find at your local herb store, they are available online. The reason I am not linking any specific URLs down in the description box is because I want you to research each ingredient. I really want you to know what you're doing to your body and understand what you're putting in or on your body. This is don't be lazy. Don't be lazy.
Are you gonna get a Caucasian uppercut?
Like certain ingredients that I included in this Yoni STEAM would not be good for pregnant and or breastfeeding mothers. But that can be easily fixed. You can always take out those ingredients you feel are not good, so you can still win in this too. Like I said, research is key. You can do it just like I can. Comment below and tell me if you tried it or maybe you altered it a little bit to your liking. Definitely let me know, sis. Let me know. Thank you goddesses so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video. Let me know you want to see more stuff like this, and make sure you click that little bell next to the subscribe button so you know when I upload, sis. You can't be late. You got to know what's in the know. Yeah. Thank you goddesses so much for watching, and you will see me in my next video. Bye.